Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make our laptop or desktop faster, just like a brand new device. So this is for Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices, and for that let us begin. First, we will go to settings, and we can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to settings option. Once you're in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to system option. So please click on that. And then you will see here the storage. So let us look down, scroll down, and you will see here the storage space, drives, configuration rules. So please click on that. And then you will see here the storage sense under the storage management. So please make sure that this is turned on, because it will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So please make sure that this is turned on. And for the cleanup recommendations, please click on that. And then you will be able to see here the temporary files. So if you want to delete all the downloads, recycle bin, system recovery log files, so please just select those. And then once you're done selecting, just please click this cleanup button here. Okay, or you can also have the large or unused files. Just click this drop down button here, and you will be able to see all the recommendations that needs to be cleaned. So as for my device, this is already optimized, so I have here no recommended files to clean. Okay, so for the unused apps also, you can click this drop down button, and if you see some unused apps, you can uninstall them. So the next thing we need to do is to close this settings window, and we will go to task manager. So we can do that by simply making a right click here in the taskbar and then go to task manager options, and you will see here this window. So please go to your startup tab. Let me just maximize this one. So you will see here the startup tab, startup apps tab, and please click on that. Once you do that, you will be able to see all the disabled and enabled applications during startup. So for the enabled applications, if you determine one of them is not necessary or unwanted application during startup, then you can disable them just by making right click on it. So just select the application, now make a right click on that, and then you will be able to see this disable button here. So just please click on that disable button, and it will automatically disable the application during startup. And then just do the same with all the other applications that you don't want to associate during startup. Okay, and after that, we will clean up your browser. So let me just click exit, and please open your browser. So once your browser is open, I have here the Google Chrome. Please click this three dot icon here that you will find at the very right or upper right corner. So please click on that and then scroll down. You will see at the very bottom part the settings option. And once you're in the settings, you will be able to see here the privacy and security. So please click on that, and then you will be able to see under privacy and security section the delete browsing data option. So please click on that, and then you will be able to see here all the things that you can delete: the browsing history, the download history, cookies and other site data, and the cache images and files. If you want some options of here, if you want them to be deleted, all you need to do is just select it. Just make sure that the box before it is checked, and then you can also choose for the time range, whether all time, last hour, last 24 hours. And then once you're done selecting, you can just click this delete data button here, and it will delete all the options that you have just selected. Okay, and after doing that, let us go to reset settings here. So once you click on that, you will have the option to restore settings to their original default. So just click on that, and then you will be able to click this reset settings, and this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable all the extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, but the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. Okay, So just click this reset settings here and then just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. So the next thing we need to do is to uninstall unwanted applications. Let me just close this one and we can open the run window. So please press in your keyboard Windows R key all together and you will see here the run window. So here we need to type appwiz.cpl and then once done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will be able to see here the programs and features window. So please check or determine whichever the applications that you don't want or that is unnecessary for you or that you don't use very often. So please click on that and then just make a right click and then click on this uninstall or change button here and the applications will be uninstalled from your device. Okay, so just please make sure that the applications that you will uninstall is not needed in your device or is not needed for you. And the next thing we need to do is to open again the run window. So let me just close this one. Let's open the run window again. So we will I will show to you another option to open the run window. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to run option here and you will see this run window coming up. So here you need to do is to type sys or sysdm.cpl and then click on OK or enter and you will see here another window coming up. We have here the system properties. So you will see here the computer name, hardware, advanced system protection and remote. So please click on the advanced tab and you will see under performance we have here the settings button. So please click on that and then you can select here either let Windows choose what's best for my computer or the adjust for best performance option. So I will leave this default option since my computer or laptop is working fine. So let me just leave it be. And then once you have now chosen your settings, just please click on this apply button here and then click on OK and then you're done. So next thing we need to do is to go to your Windows Defender or Windows Security. Let me just close this one. You can do that by clicking this up arrow here and then you will see this shield icon. Please click on that. That is the Windows Security. And then you will see here the virus and threat protection. So since my laptop is already optimized, I have here the no action needed notification. But in your case, please click on that. And for the current threats, just make a quick scan for your device and then see the actions that needed to be done. And once you have already made the actions, then just please make a quick restart with your device. Okay, and we can also update the Windows. It will also help. So please make a right click, go to settings, and then at the very bottom part, you will see here the Windows Update. So please click on that and you will see here if you're up to date or not. So if you're not up to date, just click on this check for updates button here. And then once the updates is now already installed in your device, just make a quick restart and then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.